Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the next week. Let's see what we have for you. Quick message. It's a general reading, so take as it resonates and leave the rest. I do offer personal reading, Libra. If you're interested, check the description box below. Your first card, Libra, it's love. Open your heart again. There is a connection here. Okay. With the archway, new opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening up. We have the elephant, represent a long journey. You're also very intelligent with a lot of wisdom. It's important for you to leave the past behind. With a bitter energy, good fortune, luck is on your side next week. What do you need to focus, Libra? Let's see. And see your progression. Can be talking about you've been working about a business, something about money, working really hard every day is going to pay off very soon. Don't give up, keep trying. Libra. What you don't see coming is the end of a cycle in your life, an accomplishment, success, and victory. What do you need to know? There is cycles here, changes with the moon energy. The moon represents also fertility. Just for some of you, there is an opportunity to get pregnant, Libra. Your animal spirit. Okay, with a bad spirit, its rebirth is assured. Scorpio energy. A new door is open for you, but something very different from your past, Libra. You don't want to repeat the same cycle. The number 5 is about changes. Know your worth. You can be proud of yourself. An advice for you. Sagittarius energy, see the bigger picture. It's time for you to transform all negativity in positivity. It's about perfect timing, okay? Step into your power, Aries energy. With the sun here, it's a lot of abundance coming for you, Libra. It's going to be a very good week. Some of you dealing with a fire sign. Your challenge. Journey. I see you traveling very soon. Okay, someone is coming to visit you. Let's see 3 cards about relationship. What's going on for you? You are ready to be with someone. Your heart is open. This connection is going to bring balance. It's your energy, Libra energy, justice. Let's see. The moon again. Wheel of Fortune, a change about relationship. With the 7 of Swords, okay? 7 of Swords, just be careful. Can be talking about a betrayal or someone too good to be true. Someone is doing something behind your back, Libra, okay? Be aware. You're feeling a little bit confused with the moon showing up twice. Let's see what's going on here. So moon again, confirmation about a lot of confusion here. It's like you don't know what to do about this connection. The moon, you need to face in your fear, Libra. Believe in yourself. Let's see. We have the moon and see a progression with the 7 of Pentacles. Just you need to be a little bit more patient. Change is coming about relationship. Time for you to make a decision. For some of you, you have options, okay? Trust your intuition to make the right decision, Libra. With the 7 of Swords, there is a Tower. A connection is not working anymore. For some of you, with a Scorpio, okay? But now you can see the truth. You're going to end this connection, I feel like, okay? Because what you really want is to have stability, foundation, no more confusion about relationship, Libra. Someone is coming to visit you. Communication. There is a commitment, a marriage, a contract between you and someone. Let's see, but the situation is not working here. With the 7 of Swords and the Tower. What's going on? Okay. There is an important meeting. Just be aware, because with the 7 of Swords, like you're dealing with someone a little bit manipulative, okay? There is a strong Scorpio energy here. So moon is Pisces, Cancer energy. Okay. I feel like for some of you, it's someone from your past. You need to know, Libra, that you deserve so much better, okay? Open your heart for something new, someone new here. Time for you to be happy again. Let's see what's going on about your finances. We have the Queen of Wands. You need to know that you're someone very bold, assertive, confident, very attractive, Libra. Good in your job, passionate about what you're doing. Very creative energy. There is a message, some good news. For some of you, there is an opportunity to get an offer in a different country, okay? You need some help here, support about a project, an idea, a business. Success is on your way with a red card. The Page of Pentacles, we have Judgment. You need to know that about your career, you are on the right path, Libra. It's your growing learning from your past. In the world, it's an accomplishment. We have the Three of Pentacles showing up twice. Definitely you need support. For some of you, you're going to work in family. Ask for help, okay? Because you have a lot of responsibilities. It's a heavy burden here, the Ten of Wands. It's you working really hard every day to take care of yourself, of your family. You're not giving up, Libra. You can be proud of yourself. Let's see. A little bit of stress about finances. There is a snake here, it's desires. There is also jealousy around you. Surround yourself from positivity to attract positive things, Libra. With a bouquet card, it's an offer, an invitation, a gift. Okay, accept this offer. You can be taking about a job offer. Let's see. An advice for you, your last message. There is a celebration, a reunion next week. You're going to spend time with your friends, your family, your community. It's time for you to celebrate. But you don't see coming with Leo energy. It's about using your strength, being strong and fair, having courage in the situation to take action. Okay. Libra, this is your reading. Thank you so much for watching, being here. Take care.